I'm gonna make some tacos with the ground beef that's in this box. Everything is 100% organic, grass-fed. Ooh, my tortilla press. Give it to me. And this tortilla press comes with a downloadable ebook free on a website so that it can show you how to make the homemade tortillas. Say hi, Paige. She's been looking at everything that came in today. Look. All right, you guys, I wanted to switch angles to show you exactly how I set up the Uno Casa Tortilla Press. This is a nice cast iron skillet press, which is much more convenient than the traditional way of pressing out your tortillas, which is rolling it out. This is really quick, easy, and efficient. And the cool thing about this tortilla press is that it comes with sheets, 100 parchment sheets, which I already opened, you guys. And when you go on Uno Casa website, there's a downloadable ebook so that you can make your tortillas, your homemade tortillas at home. This is real quick and easy. I made some the other day and it was so convenient. Now it comes in 2 parts, exactly how it came in when I took it out the box. You open it here. It has a handle and they gave you the option of 2 screws, right? So you want the handle to be facing that way when you assemble it. Take your screw and you just put your screw through the handle. Tighten it. You don't need any tools for this either. Boom, easy. I followed the recipe for the dough. It was very easy, quick, and efficient. Because the dough has to rest for 1 hour, I made the dough in advance. When you're trying to reach a fitness goal, making homemade meals is the best thing that you can do for you, not only for you, but for your body, because you know what is going into your food. You know exactly how your food is prepared, and you know the ingredients that was added to that meal. There's no fillers, there's no hydrogenated oils. It's all whole, nutritious food. And the 3 ingredients I used were very quick and simple. Was the masa harina dough, water, and salt. That's it. Put it to the side, let it sit, and I covered it with a cheesecloth, right? Let it sit for 1 hour. Now that 1 hour has passed by, look how easy this is. I'm going to turn on so that that can get ready to warm up while I prepare this, right? So here we go. We're gonna cut it in the middle. We're gonna cut that in half again. I'm gonna cut this in 4s. Some people say that you can make 12 tortillas, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. Hopefully these aren't too big. So now I'm gonna roll this up into a ball to make it easier to press out. The benefits of this compared to the original rolling pin is that it's easy and it's quick and efficient. Nowadays, we don't wanna waste a lot of time. The hardest part is waiting 1 hour for the dough to rise. So I press that, press it down like this. So that skillet is ready to go. Flip the dough. And while that tortilla is being made, start on the second one. I made these yesterday with Angel. You'll see in the video, her hands is also included in the video as well. But when I made these yesterday, the tortillas enhance the flavor of the meat. And you get more micronutrients when you're making things at home, considering that it's fresh. Wow, I'm moving pretty fast. Just keep on pressing. Yeah, you definitely don't want to waste time in the kitchen rolling out the dough with a rolling pin, and it's less effort to roll out. Sometimes it takes a lot of muscle power to roll out with the rolling pin, but with this cast iron skillet, all you have to do is roll your dough. You have your 2 sheets of parchment paper, one at the bottom, one at the top. And you go down and you press. I had to pause the video to grab Paige because she woke up from her nap. You gotta say hi. Say hi, everybody. Okay. And the cool thing about this is just that the contents in here, they show you exactly how to prepare and how to clean. That information is also in the box. The Uno Casa Tortilla Press comes with a thank you card, and on the back of the card it shows you how to actually scan this in that messenger app, so that way you can download the recipe ebook that comes with it. And while I'm preparing these tortillas, I'm also going to prepare the meat, and I'm going to be using organic ground beef from ButcherBox. This meal is going to be easy, quick, simple, and you won't have to feel deprived. Let's open up and see how everything is packaged. High quality meat you can trust. Some dry ice right on top. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that fancy? That's enough for a week and some change. Okay, so we have some 100% grass-fed finished ground beef. That's some chicken thighs. Yes, my favorite. Organic, no antibiotics, USDA approved organic. So this is a steal, you guys. This is definitely worth investing in because you have chicken drumsticks, you have chicken thighs, you have the chicken breast, 2 pounds of ground beef, grass-fed sirloin. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun creating a dish. I might make chicken and beef tacos. I'm not sure yet. The one cool thing about ButcherBox meat is that it's delivered right to your door. You get fresh grass-fed beef, 100% humanly raised grass-fed beef. You have the option to customize your own box however you would like to customize it. I shop often for protein, and when we go grocery shopping, we know that protein is the most expensive thing that we can buy. It's a half teaspoon of cumin. We're gonna use some cayenne pepper. A quarter of a cup of black beans, some sea salt, half teaspoon of paprika, a quarter of a cup of marinara sauce. And after we mix the ingredients together, taste it to see if you have enough seasoning, if it's to your liking. If not, then add some more salt to enhance the flavor. Tomatoes. When I use baby spinach instead of regular romaine lettuce, the baby spinach provides more nutrients, organic baby spinach. Some grass-fed beef right in the middle. Some green dragon sauce, and one taco is 23 grams of carbohydrates. This is well worth it. This is well worth it. So the links are going to be in the description below. Make sure that you check that out. And I thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Take care.